Hey, John Crestani here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make $500 a day with just your keyboard. And I'm going to be going over a few steps and a few ways that you can do this. For those of you who don't know, I've been making thousands of dollars every single day, just me and my handy dandy computer right here. As you see, I have a couple more monitors than maybe some of you do, but I'm still just making money with my keyboard, and I'll show you how you can too. Hey, John Crestani here. So the first way to make money is pretty obvious and pretty simple. Again, you don't have to reinvent the wheel when you're trying to make money. In fact, being original is the worst idea you can possibly have in trying to make money. Money does not favor originality. What you can do to make money is simply reteach what I'm already teaching you. You can see that I've made, just from YouTube ads alone, I've made hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars, and you can teach the same stuff that I'm talking about because you already know it and you're already watching the videos. Now, the way you would do this is really simple, is just take notes on the items that I'm teaching you about marketing, about sales, about motivation, about mindset, and write up those notes and then perform the teaching yourself, that you can share your own videos on sites like Facebook, on sites like Instagram. You know, obviously you're going to share it on YouTube already. You can share your videos in Facebook groups, in LinkedIn groups with people on LinkedIn to help you make money as well. Again, you can also share your videos or your notes on sites such as medium.com. Again, you don't even have to perform a video. You can just literally take the notes of the stuff that I'm teaching you and put them on a popular blogging site like Medium to start making money. Another way you could do this is you can take what you've learned from me and just perform your own videos and put it up as a Udemy course. And then you're making money again. So you can create multiple streams of income, literally just reteaching what I'm already teaching folks about affiliate marketing and making money from. Remember, I've been selling a training course for $1,000, and all the knowledge that I've gone over is somewhere within the 500 videos that I've already put on YouTube. Everything I know about marketing I've taught on YouTube. So you can take that knowledge, you could even repackage it yourself and sell it, again, sell it on Udemy for $50. I don't care. Go out and just help the world and proliferate information. It's not a big deal, and it can create multiple streams of income for you. Now, another thing you can do is make Facebook posts sharing the content that you learn in my videos. So just take content that you've found the most helpful from my videos and create notes on Facebook and share it inside marketing groups or home business groups or work from home groups consistently, because people love consistently free information, and you'll start building up a following for yourself. Arrange your notes in a way that it's most useful to folks, because a lot of people don't watch all my videos because they don't find all of the content important to them. So if you help organize content from top entrepreneurs such as myself and make it more useful to the average Joe or the average Jane, then you're adding value to them. And that value translates into social proofing for yourself. It translates into an audience, and it just creates value for the world, because you're taking videos of mine that are usually 10 minutes and you're packing them into a notes document that may take people 45 seconds to digest. People love it when they get shorthand Cliff Notes versions of things. And it's also a way for you don't have to be an expert yourself. You just have to organize content from experts and get it out to people. Now, I used to do this, and I still do this in terms of taking notes on things. Back in college, my first business was selling study notes. And how I started that business was literally, I just took good notes on things, and I would would go to classes, I'd take good notes, and then I would share them for free with my friends. And my friends were always happy because they didn't have to necessarily even go to class if they didn't want to. They would just ask me for the notes, and I'd just share a Google document or a file with them of all the notes in that class. People loved it because it was so easy, and they didn't have to do any of the work, any of the listening, any of the learning themselves. I did all the learning for them. I took all of the hours of learning and I just compiled it so that, my friends would only have to spend, instead of 5 hours, they'd only have to spend 30 minutes learning. And I did that for free for a long time until I finally started selling my study notes. And what I did was I packaged them into huge documents, and I would take an entire class that I'd taken notes on. I'd even include sample quizzes, sample questions, and I'd include them all in a note packet. And I'd sell that note packet for $400. And that was my first business. I started making over $1,000 a day in college, or over $10,000 a month if everything averaged out. I mean, $10,000 a month when I was 19 years old, just by selling notes. Again, it's not very complicated. This is selling notes to college students who are broke. Again, I wasn't going to a rich college, I was going to a community college. So these are not people who have a lot of money, but again, the benefit for them to not have to go to every single class, and the benefit for them to be able to do whatever their life was at the time, they were willing to pay me that money. And I also had some really cool guarantees and all this other stuff. I put marketing around it, and I was able to make a lot of money that way. This was to broke people for class notes. If you're helping people learn real world skills or information about marketing, about topics that can actually make them money, not just save them time on a college course, you can make way more cash. And if that doesn't spark any ideas of ways for you to apply this for yourself, then you probably shouldn't be an entrepreneur. Again, you should probably work a job. Entrepreneurship is not for everyone. Now, here's how you make money from taking notes on things. Is first off, you could do what I did, which was take good notes, build up an audience, and start selling those notes once you've got people who are happy customers. But what I would recommend if you want to make immediate money is put affiliate links to useful products at the end of your notes. So for instance, if you're taking notes on these videos right here, or on anything that I talk about on my channel, you could put an affiliate link for my course at the end and earn a $500 commission every time somebody signs up. An example of what you'd say is at the end of your notes on my videos, you could put a little line that says, all of this information was learned from John Crestani. He's a multimillionaire affiliate marketer, and he has a training course if you want to go deeper into this information in this world, and you put in your affiliate link. You could also put in affiliate links for other products. You could say John recommends ClickFunnels. You could put your own affiliate link for ClickFunnels. You could say John recommends this hosting provider. You could put in your own affiliate link for a hosting provider. Or you could take notes on a million other subjects and just pass them off to people and put in affiliate links for the respective products in that particular industry. There's a lot of ways you can do it, but at the end of the day, add value. Add value to people, save them time, help them make money. Add value is the way to help people out. Reach people and give them something that would help them out. It doesn't get much more complicated than that. And in order to do that, remember, God gave us 2 ears, 1 mouth, which means listen more than you speak. And listening, truly listen to people. Find people with money. Listen to their concerns. This is the easiest way to make money. At the end of the day, anything I say doesn't matter if you don't listen to people with money, listen for their problems, and find ways to add value to them. If you just do that, find the richest people in your town, in your village, in your family, and just hear out their problems and find ways to solve them. You'll become very rich if you just listen to rich people's problems and figure out how to help them out. It really doesn't get more complicated than that. Find people with money, find their problem, fix it, right? So I hope this helps out.